Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. If your Frigidaire upright freezer suddenly starts beeping while the green light stays on, it can definitely become confusing, especially when you are unsure whether the freezer is still cooling normally. Sometimes the beeping starts after opening the door for too long, while other times it appears unexpectedly even when everything seems fine. A situation like this can happen because of temperature changes, door sealing issues, power interruptions, or settings that simply need a quick refresh. Before assuming something major is wrong with the freezer, there are few simple things worth checking because many warning sounds can improve after quick adjustments. In this video, let's go through several easy steps to help fix a Frigidaire upright freezer green light beeping issue. Try these. Step 1. Close the Frigidaire upright freezer door firmly and check if the beeping stops. Step 2. Inspect the seal around the Frigidaire upright freezer for gaps or trapped items. Step 3. Check power connected to the Frigidaire upright freezer if beeping started after an outage. Step 4. Review temperature settings on the Frigidaire upright freezer if cooling feels different. Step 5. Restart the Frigidaire upright freezer briefly to refresh system behavior. Step 6. Monitor the Frigidaire upright freezer and confirm the green light and beeping return to normal.